This is a tutorial to show you how to initialize the local version of FORCsensei. So we're assuming that you've undertaken a local installation. All the packages, including FORCsensei, have been installed. You've opened the FORCsensei Jupyter notebook. Now what you'll see when you first open it is some images, some text, but also some code. And as you scroll down, you'll see more and more code, and this isn't actually the interface that we want to use for FORCsensei. We want to instead run it in app mode, which is very simple. A button should appear on the banner here. You can just click app mode, and the little cogs will appear, and you've now been taken into app mode where you can do all your FORCsensei processing. Now, unfortunately, it takes you to the bottom of the FORCsensei processing screen, so if you just scroll upwards to the top, you'll see the welcome to FORCsensei, some extra information, and follow the 10 steps to fork enlightenment. So these are the 10 steps that you need to follow in order to do your FORCsensei processing. Now there are tutorials available for each of those steps, which are highlighted, for example, here on step 1, video tutorial, local or cloud, where you see an option to either look at the local tutorial or the cloud tutorial. In this case, you're working with a local installation, so you should always select the local tutorial. And as I said, as you go through these different steps, you can select the tutorial to explain what you need to do at that step.